Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am here with lecture number 6 and we are going to do question number 7, that is put the words correctly to complete the story. You have to fill the blanks by using the given words in the table. Now look at the story attentively. It was late in autumn and the weather getting what? Cold. The leaves were falling dash the trees. off किसी चीज़ पर से गिरने के लिए हम ये वाला ऑफ यूज़ करेंगे. The leaves were falling off the trees. जब कोई चीज़ किसी चीज़ से गिरती है तो उसके लिए OFF ऑफ यूज़ होता है. The squirrel was nesting amongst the roots of the what? Trees. गुलहरी दरख्तों के जड़ों के दरमियान अपना घोंसला बना रही थी. The hedgehog was curling up ready for a dash sleep, for a long sleep. और hedgehog जो है वो लंबी नींद के लिए तैयार होकर खुद को कर्ल कर रहा था, कर्ल मोड़ रहा था. The frogs had disappeared into the thick, wet dash at the bottom of the pond. Thick, wet area. मेंढक तालाब के नीचे हिस्से में घने गीले इलाके में गायब हो गए थे. क्योंकि सर्दियाँ हो गई थी तो सर्दियों से छुपने के लिए सारे जो जानवर है उन्होंने अपने लिए जगह देख ली थी सर्दी से बचने के लिए. The little dash was in his shell, safely tucked away. Suitable for here is snail. The little snail was in his shell. The bees were resting in their dash after a busy year. शहद की मक्खियाँ जो है मसरूफ साल के बाद अपने छत्ते में आराम कर रही थी. छत्ते के लिए वर्ड. The bees were resting in their hives after a busy year. The birds dash that food would grow scarce and had spread their dash and flown away to warmer climates. परिंदे जानते थे कि खाना जो है बहुत ही कम होगा और वो अपने परों को फैलाकर गर्म इलाकों की तरफ उड़ गए थे. The birds knew that food would grow scarce and had spread their feathers. All of nature knew that the winter was on its way and they were dash for it. तमाम फितरत को मालूम था कि सर्दियों के दिन आ रहे हैं, वो इसके लिए तैयार है. Suitable word for there is ready. They were ready for it. Okay students, that's all for today. I will be back with another lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.